best places to visit in Al Quwain, UAE are Kite Beach Center. This is a popular destination for adventure and relaxation located on a soft white sandy beach with clear waters. It offers various water activities like kite surfing and kayaking in addition to beach walk and relaxation. Al Quwain National Museum and Fort. Built in 1768, fort is now turned to a museum. It offers traditional artifacts and insights into Emirates history. Falaj Al Mualla, a quiet inland oasis town with a traditional soak and beautiful palm groves, perfect for experiencing authentic Emirati village life. Dreamland Aqua Park. It is one of the oldest and largest water parks in UAE. It is great for families and kids with wide range of water rides and attractions. Al Sinniyah Island, a protected marine sanctuary and bird watching paradise, home to flamingos and other migratory birds. Al Quwain Mangroves, ideal for kayaking, paddleboarding, or a boat tour. It offers peaceful natural scenery and the chance to spot marine life and birds. Abandoned cargo plane, Al Quwain Aerodrome, a unique attraction for explorers and photographers located at the old Al Quwain Airport. Barracuda Beach Resort, a popular spot with a beach, pools, and water activities near the lagoon. Palma Bowling and Arcade, a fun indoor activity for families and friends, including bowling, arcade games, and dining options. A Lebsa camel racing track. Experience the traditional sport of camel racing at this famous track located in the town of Lebsa. Races are a popular local event where you can witness the majestic camels with robot jockeys. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Please subscribe.